Okay, so let's take a look at how you can export your Godot engine game to Windows executable. So first thing I'm going to do is open Godot engine. Okay, and here I have this Pong game which I want to show you before I execute it for Windows executable. So first thing, let me run the project, and here you see I have limited the screen size so that it plays better. Okay, right, so the functions for each of these bars is working. Let's check the score part. Okay, as you can see, score also updates, so everything is working fine. So what we will do is we will go back to our editor, and here in top menu you see project menu. Go to export, and currently it has HTML5 preset, which I already covered. Now let's add Windows executable. So here you see two options: Universal Windows Project, and second being Windows Desktop. So we are excluding this because it covers multiple devices, which includes Xbox as well. So we will not be covering that, so we'll be covering Windows Desktop. So if we check on this Windows Desktop option, you will find the template showing what you want to do. So allow for 64-bit export, right, and some of the preloaded setups. Okay, also it says runnable, so make sure it is. Then export path, you can change this if you want to. Okay, I'm going to keep it as is and simply click on export project. Okay, now here it will say pongdemo.exe. You want to keep it as is, so save it. Now that project is exported, we will go to the directory to check whether it is exported correctly. And as you can see, our Pong demo is exported in our game folder. Okay, now what we can do is we can double click on it, and here you see our game is working. So everything in our game works perfectly. Score updates, both of the player can play as well, right? So you get the idea how to export your Godot engine project to Windows Desktop executable.